Welcome back, folks. Temperature's almost 90 degrees. It's a hot one. Good thing this got ice cold air conditioning on this 2015 Jeep Patriot 4x4 4-cylinder. Privacy glass, luggage rack, alloy wheels with nice Mastercrafts, auxiliary line in, windows lock, still cruise, CD player. This is in very nice shape. It's a one owner piece, serviced up at the dealer, clean Carfax, no accidents. Interior is very well maintained, free of abnormal wear and tear, non-smoker. Great little trucks. We sell a lot of these. Reliable, dependable, great on gas, lots of room. This one is a guaranteed credit approval specialty. $795 starting down payment on a 2015. Check it out, folks. Service contract included. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. Perfect Carfax certification, guaranteed credit approval. 2015 Jeep Patriot. DasCleveland.com.